Hello, my name is Isaac Tekle, and this is for Mr. Wellman's CSE 110 2019 class, and I'll be doing Chapter 4, Exercise 5. So the first thing I did was import turtle, then I did the def draw line T, and then N for number of sides drawn. Then made the first thing I do, make a right 90 degrees, then have its size equal 2. Then for I in the range of N, so the first thing it does will go forward depending on the size, so 2, and then make a right 90. Then the next thing it will do is it will take 2 and then add another 2. And then the next thing I did was a spiral T to N, then again a right 90, size 2. And then for I in the range of N, so it goes forward the size, right, and right 1 degree less, 89, and then size plus 2. Then we have the turtle screen, the background color, the name of my turtle, the color of the turtle, and then the name, spiral. So when you run this, you get thank you.